Hello class 6. In today's class we are going to begin part 2 of fundamentals of QBasic, a programming language. So we are going to discuss today the next part, that is the constants and variables. In this chapter we are going to learn what are the constants and what are the variables in a QBasic programming. See, in QBasic programming language, data consists of a set of numbers. A program consists of numbers, alphabets, uppercase and lowercase, means capital and small, characters, words. Okay. So this data, which consists of a set of numbers, alphabets, characters, words, can be divided into two categories. Data can be divided into how many categories? Two categories. First one is called constants and second one is called variables. First one is called what? Constants, and second one is called variables. Constants means fixed, which do not change its value, which do not change its meaning during the execution of the program is called constant. Okay, they never change its value, its meaning. Variable, which can be changed, changeable. The changeable data are called variables. So constant means fixed, which cannot change its value during the time of execution of the program, and variable means which can change its value. Now first we'll discuss about the constants. So constants which do not change its value are two types. First one, numeric constants. Second one is called alphanumeric constants or string constants. Numeric constants consist of only numbers, positive number, negative number, decimal number. Okay, so these are called numeric constants. Alphanumeric constants or string constants are non-numeric data. Anything written within the double quote, enclosed within the double quote, is the alphanumeric constant or string constant. Variables are also of two types, numeric variables and alphanumeric variables. Variables are how many types? Two types, just like constants, but they can change its value. They can change its value during the execution of the program. So numeric variables, the numeric variable stores the numeric constants, and alphanumeric variables stores the alphanumeric constant. Remember, in a QBasic program, what is the use of numeric variables? Numeric variables are used to accept or store numeric constants, and alphanumeric variables are used to store or accept alphanumeric constant. It is also called string constant. Okay. Now comes, what are the constants? Constants are data items, the values of which do not change at the time of execution of the program. Okay, they do not change its meaning, its value during the time of execution of the program. Like 85. 85 is a numeric constant. It is a number. 120. It is a numeric constant. It is a number. Minus 88. It is a numeric constant. It is a number. DBA, enclosed within the double quote. Enclosed within the double quote, it is a alphanumeric constant or string constant. Standard 6, enclosed within the double quote, it is a alphanumeric constant or string constant. So all these are constants which comprises the digits are the numeric constants, of which are alphabets or special characters enclosed within double quote. These are called string constants or alphanumeric constants. Alright. Now constants are of two types. First one we are going to discuss today, that is the numeric constants. What are the numeric constants? Numeric constants are the constants comprising of digits. It is made up of digits. It consists of digits. They may be accompanied by a negative sign. It can be a negative number or a decimal point or decimal number. These constants are used for all kinds of mathematical operations. These constants are used for what? All kinds of mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, finding the value of any mathematical expression, any mathematical formula. So all this comes under the which constant? Numeric constant. Okay. So once again, data consists of a set of numbers, alphabets, characters, words. It can be divided into how many categories? Two. Constants, means which are fixed, cannot change its value. Variables, which can change its value. Variables means changeable. Constants are two types, numeric constants and alphanumeric constants or string constants. Again, variables are of two types, alphanumeric variables, and these are also called string variable. Like a string constant na, so we can write string variable. These are also called string variables. Okay, alphanumeric variables or string variables. Constants are data items, the values of which do not change at the time of execution of the program. Like 85, 120 minus 88. These are the numeric constants. DBA, standard 6. These are the string or alphanumeric constants. And its value never change. Like 85 remains always 85. 128 remains always 120. DBA remains always DBA. Standard 6 remains always standard 6. So these are constants. Numeric constants are the constants comprising of digits. They may be accompanied by a negative sign or a decimal point. These constants are used for all kinds of mathematical operation. Numeric constants are used for all types of mathematical operation. Again, numeric constants are of two types. Numeric constants are of how many types? Two types. Integer means without decimal part. Without fractional part, fractional number. Like 65. 65 is an integer constant. It has no decimal part. 77 is a integer constant because it has no decimal part. Minus 90 is an integer constant, no decimal part. Minus 45 is a integer constant. It has no decimal part. So these are not having decimal part. So these are called integers without decimal. Real numbers, like real numbers means fractional. Okay, having the decimal part, like 6.90, 3.14, minus 7.86, minus 3.45. So all these are called real numbers or real constants. So numeric constants are how many types? Two types, integer constant and real constant. Numeric constants are assigned to numeric variables. Like see here, n is a numeric variable. N is a what variable? Numeric variable, and 125 is a numeric constant. So numeric constants can be assigned to numeric variable only. Okay, so this n is a what? Numeric variable, and 125 is a numeric constant. So 125 is assigned in n. So n is a variable name. Which variable? Numeric variable, and 125 is a numeric constant. So in today's class, we started constant and variables, and we have discussed about what is data, what is constant, what is variables. There are two types of constants and variables, and we discussed numeric constants. So please write and learn all these topics. Thank you.